On this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am looking right here at the Raspberry Pi Module 5 board. Hello engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design and your host. This time on DevKit Weekly, I'm coming to you live from Embedded World 2026 in our DevZone here in our booth, which is where we showcase some of our favorite dev boards that come up throughout the entire year. And now this comprehensive kit includes a Compute Module 5, of course, as you can see right here, and all the peripherals that you need to get you started on any Raspberry Pi project, or Raspy as its friends like to be called. Now, of course, we've got our HDMI inputs, our Ethernet, our regular USB-C and USB-A. We've got all of the various things that you need to develop just about anything there on that Raspberry Pi. So you need to come and check it out. Now, maybe you missed it here at Embedded World in our DevZone. That's okay. All the links are down in the description for you to find and order and check out your own. So I hope you do. In the meantime, thank you so much for joining me on this episode. If you want to find out more about our DevKit Weeklies, make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you never miss an episode. In the meantime, thank you for joining me. I've been Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design and your host, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great day.